Meteorologist Amy Freeze here with your Southeast forecast update. Expect partly cloudy skies with a slight chance of showers in Atlanta this afternoon. Here's the weather outside your front door. A line of strong storms is stretching from New Orleans to Atlanta, making its way eastward. Heavy rainfall coupled with some severe weather conditions can be expected along this line, impacting cities like Montgomery and Jacksonville. Up in Memphis and Shreveport, isolated showers are still lingering, though conditions are expected to gradually improve as the day progresses. Farther east, the rainfall intensity decreases, providing Savannah with some peaceful conditions for now, while Charleston is anticipating the showers to roll in shortly. Across the Florida Panhandle, areas like Tampa and Miami are enjoying clear skies, allowing for a mild start to the day. Over in northern Florida, scattered storms are racing through, so keep the umbrellas handy. Afternoon temperatures in Atlanta will reach 72 degrees by 4 p.m. with a steady SSW wind at 11 miles per hour. Expect thunderstorms to develop as the evening progresses, lowering the temperature to 70 degrees by 6 p.m. with wind gusts increasing to 12 miles per hour. By 8 p.m., the temperature will decrease slightly to 68 degrees, and thunderstorms will continue with winds at 9 miles per hour from the south-southwest. In New Orleans, it's warm and pleasant with a high of 81 degrees. Meanwhile, Jackson reaches 68 degrees, providing a cooler vibe for the day. Over in Montgomery, we see a high of 77 degrees, while Atlanta warms up to 75 degrees. In Florida, temperatures soar as Jacksonville leads the way at a sizzling 90 degrees, closely followed by Tampa at 88. Savannah is also feeling the heat with a high of 84 degrees. Now for the low temperatures, the Southeast is in for a chilly night ahead. Expect a brisk 34 degrees in Memphis, with Nashville dropping to 35. Shreveport will see a low of 43, while Jackson is forecasted at 41. Montgomery is looking at 43 degrees, and Atlanta will also hit 43. Savannah can expect a low of 52, and Jacksonville will be slightly warmer at 55. In the Sunshine State, Tampa will settle at 64 degrees, while Miami stays mild at 75. Tomorrow, the Southeast region is gearing up for a warm day, with many areas seeing above-average temperatures thanks to a surge of humidity moving in. In Atlanta, expect a high of 70 degrees, which is quite mild for this time of year. Charlotte will also see pleasant conditions, reaching 70 degrees as well. Further south, Savannah is looking at a warm afternoon high of 82 degrees, while Jacksonville is set to soar to 90 degrees. Tampa is not far behind with a high of 88 degrees, and Miami will enjoy a warm 84 degrees. Austin will have a high of 76 degrees, and Houston is expected to see a high of 70 degrees. Expect a dynamic weather pattern across the Southeast on Monday. A series of thunderstorms will track from New Orleans to Charlotte, with the heaviest activity likely over Montgomery by mid-morning. Storms could bring heavy rain and gusty winds, so be prepared for possible weather warnings. Meanwhile, Atlanta receives showers into the afternoon, potentially disrupting commutes. Temperatures remain warm despite the weather shift, with highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. By late afternoon, the storm line will extend toward Jacksonville and Savannah, calling for caution with localized flooding due to intense downpours. Stay weather aware through the day. The UV index in Atlanta starts at a moderate level of 5 on Sunday, with a burn time of about 27 minutes. Be cautious of potential storm activity, as it may impact sun exposure. On Monday, expect a UV index of 4, where the burn time extends to 35 minutes. Look out for partly sunny skies, and remember to take necessary sun protection measures when outdoors.